to my fellow STIers, faculty members, and also to my beloved advisor, Mr. Griffin, a pleasant evening to everyone. How have you grown to be individual? This gives me the opportunity to express my thoughts and feelings about myself, on how and really have grown to be individual. Because of this, I am starting now to understand the real world. Now I can say that from a naughty boy to an irresponsible kid who doesn't care on what will happen next and who doesn't care about what people say about me. Then to a fine young man, after the realization on how I disappointed my parents, I came back now to my senses that I am not getting any younger and that my parents will not be forever on my side. I have empowered to cope well with the demand of being good and responsible. I have to respect and relate with people meaningfully because before I do careless because in my mind and in my thoughts, my parents will always there to spoil me and tolerate me, but they just love me. So everything I say and do, they understand. Now I am able to reflect on my past, and I intend to improve myself and be more open for self-improvement and see my potential and vitalize them to fullest. From a naughty boy to an irresponsible kid to a fine and improved young man, that's how I am grown to be individual.